All right, test, test. We're back at it this time, a little different bit of a stream. We are doing something different today of interest to the Linux community. If you're a Dayz enjoyer, check, check, mic check, check, write a check, card, debit. I may have stumbled onto something interesting. Give me a moment. I'm gonna drink out of my Dayz Frostline cup here because I'm officially a Dayz junkie, I guess. So I'm going to tell you the story just real briefly, and then we're going to get into this. I normally stream on Linux Mint. Let me pop up the version here real quick because I always forget. It's 21 Linux Mint 22 Cinnamon, right? It should be the latest version, right? And I usually stream under a different desktop, right? Different login, different username. My primary part is part of my system. And as I'm doing my streaming, I wanted to use a different desktop, right? So under my normal desktop, I use a script, which for the life of me, I can't remember now, and I'm not going to go into it unless somebody asks later on. But I use it to allow me to run mods very easily in... Yeah, I haven't shown you anything just yet, so bear with me. Just still showing the starting soon screen. Maybe I'll change it. I'll change it so people know there's a difference. Bam! There we go. How's that? Live from New York. It's not New York. Anyway, so I come into this login. As you can see, this beautiful background here was made by Dema. Tosev's the name of kind of the umbrella that I do everything with. We do film, audio, gaming, whatever. Writing. I write a lot. Anyway. So I come in here. I'm going to set this up for streaming so I don't have all that clutter and all that other crap I got to worry about. So I install Steam. Right? Technically it's already installed because it's already on the system, whatever. So I have to go and create my logins, because I have 2 Steam accounts. So initially I was having problems with them because my mouse wouldn't capture. It would just be all over the place when I was playing Dayz. I couldn't get it to stay connected into the proper window into the game. Well, I realized I had Wayland turned on. So I turned Wayland off, went back to X, and it worked fine. But it dawned on me one of the games that plays servers that I tested was in fact a modded server, and I did not have that script installed. So I confirmed, I believe the script is user based, right? So I would actually have to install it on this user account for that script to work to allow me to run plugins. I've looked around. I never installed it because I don't game on it. Here's my downloads folder. I have that. So I don't know. I don't have it installed. No, more to this. So I'm going to click play. This is 1.26. This is the latest update. And even if I have a big update, I still have to run that updater to make everything work. I don't have it on here. So as you can see here, I have gone in and I've nuked all my mods. Now I want to say something. The default loader works great now. I've had 0 issues with it. Before I go on, I will say that I am running Glorious Egg Roll 9.16. Okay, just so y'all know, I'm running the latest greatest Glorious Egg Roll. So there's no mods installed. I don't have any scripts. And what I want is I want people to test this. Test this and tell me if I'm not off my gourd here. So I'm going to go to servers. You can see I play on that one. And there's officials. They're all showing up. But here's community, right? I'm just going to pick one. This is a call Loot++. And let's see how many mods it has. Let's get more adventurous. I need something with more mods. That's Livonia. Let's try this one. Okay. This is a high number of mods. Now, I got to be honest with you. Normally, even using my script, this would take a minute. So let's see what happens. Now, we're testing. Watch this thing fail on me. Look how fast that is. Look at the mods. I have no scripts. I have nothing installed to allow this. Did they fix something on the Linux side inadvertently? I've checked the dev logs. I can't find anything specific. But this is the default launcher, which I like. Some people don't. But I like it. And look, the mods are installing. Please do not give me I need a password, please. Nope. So let me turn on this sound here. Not sure which one it is. We'll see. So make sure my game sounds are all good. So I didn't require anything. Or it didn't require anything. Let's see if it loads. I already know the answer to this, but suspense. Whoa! The client is newer built than the server. Okay. That's fine. Server hasn't been updated. So let's go back over here and open up the launch screen, which would have frozen by now. Let's pick another one. 5-man PvP with Trader. Huh? Okay. So I'm not going to go into that one. Let's see. Fair enough. Let's see what they got. It's not a huge list, but the other some of these aren't updated yet. There were some issues earlier, but look at that. Look how fast that is going. Is it fixed? Does somebody know? I don't know. But so my laptop did not have Dayz on it. So I installed Dayz on my laptop. Nothing else. Fired it up. Went into the mods. And they worked. With no issues. Do we no longer need these scripts? Are we now fully functional in Dayz? I know it's not officially supported. But did somebody somewhere give us a gift in 126? So I'm having, not on every modded server, but on occasion I'll get a server that says that my client's newer than the server. And I think that's because there was an update rolled out earlier today because all the server listings were down. Here we go. See if it's going to work. Tickle your fancy. Jiggle your giblets. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Keep your fingers crossed for the server's updated. Let's go there. Look at that. We're in. I should be able to fit through that pole. Matt Pocobo. Hey, Dema? Does that look familiar? Huh? Does that look familiar? What do we got here? Capri pants. Low insulation. Worst insulation. Jeans, medium. I always go to the same exact spot. I am bound by this spot for life. Do we have a knife? No, we got a rock knife. Let's turn that on. Ooh. Open can! Alright. No, it's not everywhere. This is the exact same spot, Dema. This is the bush that you cut down, the tree you got bark from. There is something on this server that is causing my shit to lag. Let's go. So, somebody out there in La La Land, Dayz, want to test this? Because I would really like to know. I'm addicted to this, so I'm going to sit here and play this forever if I don't stop now. So, I'm going to stream later. I like this couch. Nice sectional. Yeah, watch some tube. Does that freeze to death? You know, if you're going to freeze to death, you might as well watch something. Whoa. There it is. That's definitely a modded server. Somebody let me know. Somebody test it on their systems and let me know. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, that's pretty much what the stream was for. It was just to test that. The mods are working. That's my estimation right now, and it's in early testing to prove this concept. I need more people to check it out. So thank you for your time, and if you're a Linux user, test your distro. Go to Tosiv on YouTube, and I'll have a video there, and let me know what you think.